Today, I am making a bunch of butter squishies. You guys have been loving my butter squishies recently, so instead of just making one, I decided to make an entire collection of butter squishies. So let's make them and see which one turns out to be my favorite. These butter squishies turned out so cute and they're so squishy, so let me show you guys how I did it. I'm going to start by showing you how to make a basic salted butter squishy. This is like the original design. So I have some printer paper here, which I'm going to fold in half. Then you're going to fold each side in half. So here you can see that you kind of have like 4 sections now, which are basically going to be the front sides of our rectangle. And now for the sides, you only need one square piece to essentially close off the butter squishy. So here I'm making 2 lines and I'm just cutting off the parts that I don't need with my pair of scissors. I know I'm doing a terrible job at explaining this, but I feel like this is so easy to understand visually rather than me try to explain it, because it's like, I don't know, it's like kind of difficult, but yeah, you can kind of see what I'm doing. And I hope this makes sense. Using some acrylic paint, I'm going to make this a nice butter yellow. Now, if you do have colored paper, that is great. You can also use markers, colored pencils, whatever you have. Personally, I do like the finish of acrylic paint. Now, the writing is the most difficult part. And to make this easier, I basically just pop my paper onto my screen and I trace it out. This is how you're going to get the exact butter squishy writing, and it's going to make it look like it's an actual butter squishy. So here you can see that I'm filling it out using some blue ink. I'm basically using like an acrylic marker, but again, you can use a regular marker or colored pencils, whatever you have. Now to turn this into a squishy, you basically need packing tape, and this is basically tape that's wide. And all I'm going to do is tape the entire thing, and we are just going to cut off any excess. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and assemble your butter squishy. So I'm just going to fold the paper and just stick all of the sides together. And you do want to leave one side open so that we can fill it up using some pillow stuffing. So make sure to fill it up. If you add like 2 less of the pillow stuffing, it's not going to be as squishy. I feel like you kind of have to find that right amount of pillow stuffing, if that makes sense. But once you're happy with the filling, go ahead and seal it shut using some more tape. And here is the salted butter squishy all completed. Now this is the actual original design. Moving on in this video, I'm basically going to be showing you different designs that I've made, and it's just like kind of like a compilation of different designs, because I feel like it would be best to put all of this in one video so you guys can also kind of see what you can make. And it's so much fun to like make these different variations of the butter squishy. So here I'm doing a gold version. This is something that I actually got a comment on my TikTok to do this, so I thought it was a great idea. So I got this like really nice cool gold paint, and I just painted the paper, and then I'm doing the same exact steps. Yeah, there's not really anything majorly different. This is just a gold butter squishy. And here is the gold butter squishy all completed. I actually think this looks like a brick of gold. It's actually so cool. For the next butter squishy, we are doing a jet puffed marshmallow theme. So for this, I'm actually going to be doing like a rainbow background. And this one was actually so much fun to make. I had a lot of fun. Like just the painting aspect was very like relaxing for some reason. So yeah, this is a design that we're going to be doing. I'm making the rainbow here, as you can see, and then we're just gonna add the writing. And then I also will make like 2 little marshmallows on the side. So I thought that that was like a really cute touch. Once I was happy with my design, I covered the entire thing using packing tape, cut it, and then assembled my butter squishy. And here it is all done. This one turned out so cute. I love the rainbow, and yeah, this one honestly might be my favorite. For the next one, we are making a strawberry butter. Again, this one was commented a lot on my TikTok and my YouTube. So we are going to be making a strawberry butter. And basically for this, I'm covering the entire paper with some pink acrylic paint. And yeah, I basically just like wrote strawberry on the top and then wrote butter. And then there's also going to be like a cute little strawberry on the side. So as you can see, these designs are like super easy. You can pretty much make anything that you want. I just wanted to make this video so that you guys can kind of have like different ideas on what you can make. But yeah, it's actually so much fun to paint all of these. Again, once you're done with your design, go ahead and cover it with tape, cut it out, and assemble your butter squishy. Here it is all done. Again, this one is so cute and I absolutely love it. And the final squishy that I'm going to be making today is a chocolate butter squishy. I'm very excited about this one because I love chocolate and I just love the overall design of it. So I'm covering the entire thing with some brown acrylic paint, and then I'm just going to write chocolate and then butter. For this one, I wrote butter in like a darker brown, and I think that made it look like really nice. It's so much fun. Like, again, you guys should definitely try making these for yourself because it is very relaxing to just sit down and paint. If you guys are still watching this video, you guys have to let me know in a comment what other butter squishy designs I should make, and I'll like do a video where I let you guys decide all of the designs, and I think that would be like so much fun. And here is the chocolate butter squishy all completed. Here are all the butter squishies I've made so far. You guys have to let me know in a comment which one was your favorite. I think my favorite was definitely the jet puffed marshmallow one. It turned out so cute, but let me know in a comment which one was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.